Hi there, students. Insidious, an adjective. Insidiously, the adverb. Insidiousness, the noun. Okay, insidious describes something dangerous or unpleasant that gradually and slowly takes hold, but secretly as well. So it secretly causes harm, causes damage. So yeah, high blood pressure is insidious because it affects other parts of the body, although there are few direct symptoms. I think one of the reasons that COVID is insidious is that some people just don't have any symptoms. They're completely asymptomatic. And that's one of the reasons why it is difficult to halt the insidious spread of the virus. So insidious is something that has a gradual and cumulative effect, but it's not very apparent. So the insidious pressures of modern life, we're not always entirely conscious of them, but we're being pressured to do them. Okay, it's very common to use insidious to talk about a disease that develops, or the onset is very, very gradual, and it's very well established before we actually finally notice that it's there. So it progresses inconspicuously, but it's harmful. It's treacherous, crafty, stealthy, and deceitful. Yeah? Don't confuse insidious with invidious. Invidious, to discriminate unfairly, something that's hateful or calculated to give offence. Okay, so insidious, spreading harmfully. He was spreading insidious rumours about me. I think misinformation is very insidious. Yeah, it spreads and makes people think that things are not true. So we could use insidious meaning treacherous, intended to trap somebody. Yeah, something it looks very attractive, is very alluring, but it's harmful. Yeah, so I don't know, the insidious city lights. The city lights, people think the city's going to be wonderful and they're going to move to the city and get rich, but this is actually insidious. Maybe drugs or smoking are insidious. They don't seem to have any long-term effects on us. Yeah, but yes, they do, and we probably don't notice them until it's too late. I guess you could have an insidious enemy, somebody who's treacherous and deceitful, trying to trick you, yeah, and you don't actually notice them. You could have an insidious plan. So a plan that's designed to attract somebody, to tempt them into a situation where they really shouldn't enter. It's very seductive. Yeah, it's stealthy and subtle and cunning. Yeah, I think so. Yes, talking about sexism in our society, I think sexism is insidiously implanted in the language that we use, and therefore it has a bad effect, but we don't even know we're doing it. Yeah, it's something that is alluring, it attracts you. Yeah, and then the trap closes and you're in trouble. And this is the idea of insidious. Yeah, something that produces harm in a stealthy and gradual way. Something that is intended to trap you. It attracts you and then traps you. Yeah, something that is treacherous, something that you can't um, uh, trust. Okay. So, insidious. How formal is this word insidious? I think I'd give it probably a 6.5. Yeah. Um, let's see. Insidious. I think maybe stealthy, hidden, dangerous, uh, attractive, but dangerous, luring, to lure. If something lures you, that's the word I was looking for. It is insidious. It lures you into its insidious trap. Um, he plotted insidiously against the democratically elected representatives. Okay, so it's got quite enough formality to it. I wouldn't probably use it in an informal conversation, maybe just, but it's at the very edge. Let's see. What about origin? Well, it comes from Latin, insidiosus. Yeah, insidae, waiting in ambush. Yeah, a stratagem. Yeah, okay. In, obvious, in, on, and sedeo, to sit. So it sits inside. The danger is sitting inside, and this is insidious. You need to be very careful when you start learning English not to learn things wrong, because this can become insidious and very, very difficult to correct, because you produce the incorrect thing automatically, and that's why it's insidious. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Insidious. Insidiously.